The Qualifying Group is your go-to resource for any recruitment project requiring multiple hires. We have been supporting greenfield, startup, expansion, and turnaround projects with key technical specialists to managerial level hires for more than 22 years.
Our footprint in the dynamic North American market has allowed us to serve a wide range of project recruitment engagements, to include Maquiladora greenfield projects in Mexico, an aerospace turnaround project in Canada, to top-grading functional management roles across the United States. We have the experience to deliver the most challenging of recruitment mandates. We are culturally fluent with experience supporting client organizations originating from Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and across the Americas.
Our partners across more than 40 countries give you access to the relationships, resources, and language fluency when and where you need it. Call us today to learn how we can scale our recruiting resources to meet the needs of your next initiative.